How to back up Mozilla Thunderbird emails.
If your email account is configured in Thunderbird and you're looking to back up your emails, the process is simple and flexible. Thunderbird allows you to create local backups in multiple formats, including Mbox, EML, HTML, PDF, and more. In this video, I'll walk you through the complete step-by-step process. So let's get started. First, open your Thunderbird app. Before proceeding, you'll need to install an extension. Click on the Settings icon, then select Add-ons and Themes. In the search box, type Import Export Tools NG. You can see the tool appears. Click on Add to Thunderbird, and in the pop-up window, click Add. That's it. The extension has been successfully installed. Now, close any unnecessary windows and open your Mail Folders panel. Right-click on the folder you want to back up, then select Import Export Tools NG. If you want to back up the folder as an Mbox file, click on Export Folder Mbox. You'll see four options. To save the folder as a standard Mbox file, select as Mbox File. To save it as a compressed file, choose Single Zipped Mbox File. If your folder contains subfolders, you can select one of the remaining options accordingly. For this example, I'll choose Single Zipped Mbox File. Now, in this confirmation window, click OK. Then select the destination where you want to save the file and click Select Folder. The export process will begin. Depending on the size of your mailbox, this may take a few moments. Once completed, your Mbox file will be saved as a zip file in the selected location. However, if you want to back up your emails in other formats, again, right-click on any folder, select Import Export Tools NG, and this time select Export All Messages in Folder. You'll now see multiple format options, including EML, HTML, PDF, plain text, and CSV. For this tutorial, let's choose the EML format. As a result, two options will appear. If your folder includes subfolders, choose the second option, and if it does not contain subfolders, select Messages and HTML Index. Next, select the destination where you want to save the files and click Select Folder. The export process will start, and once it's complete, all your emails will be saved in the EML format at your selected location. And that's it. That's how you can easily back up your emails in Thunderbird. Thanks for watching.